Over 1,400 years ago, in the desert city of Mecca, something happened that would change the course of human history forever. This is not just a story of a religion. It's the story of a man, a message, and a moment that shook the world. Welcome to Islam Explained. To understand the first revelation, we need to understand the world it arrived in. 7th century Arabia was a land of tribal conflict, idol worship, and deep inequality. The city of Mecca was home to the Kaaba, a sacred cube-shaped structure that housed over 360 idols. Pilgrims came from across Arabia to worship there, but among all these people, one man was different. His name was Muhammad, born in 570 CE in Mecca. He was known by everyone as Al-Amin, the trustworthy. He was honest in business, gentle in character, and deeply troubled by the injustice around him. As he grew older, he began spending long periods alone in the mountains outside Mecca, meditating, reflecting, searching for truth. His favorite place was a small cave on Mount Hira. It was the month of Ramadan in the year 610 CE. Muhammad was 40 years old. He was alone in the Cave of Hira when something extraordinary happened. A presence appeared. An angel, later identified as Jibril, or Gabriel. The angel said one word, "Iqra," read. Muhammad trembled and replied, "I cannot read." The angel embraced him tightly, then released him and said it again. "Read, in the name of your Lord who created man from a clinging substance. Read, and your Lord is the most generous." These were the first 5 verses of the Quran. Surah Al-Alaq. Muhammad ran home shaking and frightened. He called to his wife, "Cover me, cover me." His wife Khadijah wrapped him in a blanket and held him. When he told her what happened, she did not doubt him for a single moment. She said, "By God, he will never humiliate you. You maintain family ties, you help the poor, you serve your guests, and you help in times of calamity." Khadijah became the first person to accept Islam. She went with Muhammad to her cousin Waraqah, a Christian scholar, who confirmed, "What came to you is the same angel who came to Moses. You are the prophet of this nation